It's fine. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Jabi Lake. We came here tonight or this afternoon and invited all Nigerians to come with us to revive a piece of heaven on earth, which is this Jabi Park resort. This place was assigned to the Nigerian public as a place for relaxation. It is part of Abuja's master plan. But the new Minister of FCT, Federal Capital of Thieves, Mr. Nyesom Wike, who is used to grabbing land, especially from the poor, has stolen almost all the public parks and lands in Abuja.
Yes.
It started from the University of Abuja, stole half of their land.
Yes.
He has stolen even partitions in between highways.
Yes, sir.
He's building his own supermarkets at the back of NTA and a petrol station there.
Yes.
In addition to several other criminal activities that is distorting not only the Abuja master plan, but it's distorting the life of Nigerians.
Yes, sir.
This park is the only park in Abuja where you can see poor people. And a lot of them are here to make a living.
Yes.
A lot of people who cannot afford to go to very expensive supermarkets and restaurants in the city bring their loved ones here.
Yes.
People even come here to worship once in a while.
Yes.
People come here for photo shoot for their weddings.
Yes.
People come here for educational purposes.
Yes.
This is the biggest place where you can find people during Salah and Christmas.
Yes.
But this man, as you can see, has decided, because I think Wike hates happiness.
Yes.
And he doesn't like when people are happy around him.
Yes.
But it is not Wike. It is a man who appointed him, which is Tinubu,
Yes.
who is also in Lagos.
Yes.
And they brought that mentality to Abuja. We are here to stop them.
Yes.
And we are not asking for help. We are asking for the restoration of this park to its original place and purpose.
Yes.
As a matter of fact, the park is not big enough for us.
Yes.
It needs to be expanded further.
Yes.
And we are using this park as the symbolic place to fight against Wike over every land that belongs to the public that he has taken over since he became the Federal Capital of Thieves Minister.
Yes.
It includes the reversal of the land he took at the University of Abuja.
Yes.
All the green areas that he took over, including the one that we went to see at Wuse Zone 6, where they have already even commenced buildings of real estate.
The hospital land.
Hospital land in a way that's supposed to serve over 1 million people. Wike has taken it over. So we came here today to start the sensitization.
Yes.
And to talk to you, especially the middle income or young people who are making a living out of here. And Nigerians who should have been here today, but because today is not Saturday, we are coming back on a Saturday.
Yes.
We want to give them 7 days ultimatum to demolish their wall.
Yes.
Yes. Are you listening to me?
Very well.
We are giving them 7 days ultimatum to remove any encumbrance that is interfering with park life.
Yes.
If they don't, Nigerians can take down the wall in our large numbers.
Exactly.
We don't even need to use a hammer or Seizure. If we all push the wall, it will fall. Yes.
Going down.
This wall was not even as strong as the wall of Jericho. And that one fell. If that one fell, this one can fall as well. And the moment 7 days expires, we will take action the Saturday after that. And if you are the developer, please be advised that you have just bought the land that the people of Yoruba call Ile Orisha. The land that belongs to the gods. And they said anybody that buys the God's land can never rest.
Never.
Come and stop your development and tell Wike to find you another land elsewhere. We are not giving up on this land.
By the grace of God.
We will recover the land and convert it to use it for what it is meant for.
Yes.
It is not residential and it is not supposed to be a hotel.
Yes.
It's a park. This is park life.
Yes.
We have heard rumors that this land is divided between Wike and Sheyi Tinubu. Totally rumors, allegedly.
Yes.
But if any one of them has taken this land, we will find out. Whether if we use 10 companies to divide the land, we'll find out and we'll reveal your identity.
Exactly.
But we're also calling on those who might be working at the FCDA, the Federal Capital Territory Development Agency. If you have information about the people to whom this land is illegally shared, please pass it on to us.
Yes.
You can do it by DM on our social media platforms, so that we will reveal it to the public who these enemies of progress are in our country. We already have given too much to these people. Tinubu is living with his wife and maybe a few children in the place they call Aso Rock. It's bigger than this place.
Yes.
What do they want from the public again? They don't build public housing anymore in this country. But the few places where the public have opportunity to relax, they keep taking it. They started this a long time ago. The place they call Festac in Lagos used to have parks where children could play. They took it over under the military. They are always after whatever the poor people have. That is always their interest. There are empty houses in Asokoro. They are not after those houses. They are building houses that poor people cannot live in. And after they finish building those houses, they will still be empty.
Exactly.
Greedy people.
Very greedy people.
They cannot provide electricity. They can't provide education. They can't provide health care. They are taking hospital land. They are taking school land. They are taking public land. Wike is not only stealing land for himself, he's stealing land for his children. If you go to Buhari, we went to Buhari last weekend or 2 weeks ago, 2 weekends ago, they are shouting about how his children, not only did they take the land in Buhari, hear me out, the electricity meant for people of Buhari, they have diverted it to the company of Wike's children.
Imagine.
In Buhari, that's how wicked these people are.
Very wicked people.
So we are here to announce that 7 days is all we give Wike and Tinubu to come and pull down their useless wall. This is not going to happen while we are here in this country.
Yes.
And we always warn them, this country is ripe for a revolution. They don't know where we happen from.
God. Oh my God.
The moment it starts from somewhere, they can't stop it.
Absolutely.
And they are not as many as we think they are.
No.
And they are not as many as we are.
Yes.
There are 200 million people in this country, of which over 5 million people rely on just, hand to mouth to make money to live around Abuja alone. You can't provide jobs for people. The little places where they make ends meet, you come and take it over. All these young people who are galloping with horses, this is how they make a living. Some of them even sleep around here because they don't have houses.
Yes, you are right.
Now you want to shut down everything and drive them out. That is why we are here. Revolution now! We can't hear you. Revolution now!
My name's Ahmed Elrufai Rilwan. I've been the user of this park for over 17 years. Yeah, I'm well known here. And I know this video is actually going to go viral, and I'm going to ask so many questions. Since ever we start coming here, I know people like these children you see, they were into crimes. They confessed to me that they were into crimes. That Jabi Lake changed their life. They are coming here with their scooters for lease, horses for leasing. There are women, as I'm speaking, some of them are here, and some of them will get to hear this, that they were coming here on the basis of looking for men. Right as they're coming, they found what they are doing here today. They have shops in this place. And when this protest started, they actually said, wow, how could they do this to them? And I said, okay, we shouldn't worry. Let's start. And we are going to get, an interested mind that are going to help us out. This is where we are today. If you look down there, okay, look at one of the women here. I know when she started coming here. They started from this place that you see. FCT came, took them down there. Some of these women are widows. They have children in university. I know that they have children in the university. There's a lady that was coming here. FCT came. Look at those shops you're seeing down there. Some of these shops are owned by single ladies. Should they go back to prostitution? No. They opened those shops. When this demarcation came, they moved down here. If you come here, inside, you see that some of these shops here, the owners are now here. You know. So, and we know a lot of things. This is most important aspect of it. Some people came here on therapy basics. Some people come here on health basics. Very true. Let me define this. Me, from my house is not far from here. I'm 5 minutes away from here. Sometimes you come here 5 a.m. You see some people already here. When you are leaving around 8, some people are coming. Yes. When you are leaving here around 10, some people are coming. Around 12, you see retirees. You saw one old man now. Retirees of 70, 80. Some you see them. Yes, some you see them. Somebody is holding them out. Some they are coming down with their clutches. Some are coming down with their walking stick. To come and take fresh air and the hot sun. Then around this time that you see, if not because of this demarcation now, you see some people that had gone, that left home since morning. Maybe the wife has called them no gas, no kerosene, no semovita. They couldn't get money. They will come here and relax their brain. You see some doors open, their car doors fall open, their legs on the dashboard, thinking their way out, thinking of their life. And this is what Wike wants to take away. So already we know there are people that are going to die. Yes. If you eventually take this place. There are people that already told me that this place actually reduces their medical bills. Because they came here on health basis. Please, Nigerians, let's come together and take this place back from Wike.
Take Jabi Lake back.
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 Great Nigerian people. Tinubu must
go.
Tinubu must
go.
Whether Tinubu make you remove Wike, make you not remove Wike. Tinubu is going after his first tenure. They have destroyed this country. And Oga, no vex. Tinubu no be our brother.
At all.
And Wike no be our brother.
Never. At all.
Nobody wey dey here we go vote for Tinubu. Nobody even vote for Tinubu in 2023. Na INEC. Na put Tinubu there. So, but thank you very much for your very constructive and deep messaging to the outing here. When I came here, the last time we came here, that was on Sunday, right?
Yes.
We met because you think that the park is for you alone. It's not for you. We met some 3 white guys. They are from Sweden. They said when they arrived at Abuja, the first place they wanted to go to was a park. And when they saw us and they introduced me to them that we are fighting for the park, they said, please, don't let this park go down. They haven't stayed for 30 minutes and they've enjoyed themselves to the utmost level.
Comrade, they come here, 30 of them, they come here about 30
Everybody in the world. This is part of Nigeria's tourism center.
Yes.
And these people have nothing to add to the country, but always something to steal from the people. This Tinubu came to steal and destroy Nigeria. But we are not going to allow that to happen. You see, this is the reason why I call him a criminal. And he carried me go court. And the judge is trying to jail me. I tell him, say, you know if he jail me, now the thief where you supposed jail.
Now he carry me come.
Now he make me call him criminal because him be criminal. Only criminals go see what belong to the poor and steal it. Only criminals do that. My brother is talking about yoga. If you know how many people yoga saves from stress, yoga, by the way, is one of the best ways to cure hypertension.
Yes.
But a lot of people don't know these things. But he comes here to give that treatment for free to a lot of people for less than nothing. When I was released in 2019, the first place I came to play table tennis is this park. And I sat beside the lake there and relaxed my brain. Because there's a thing to mental health when you are close to nature. So we must ensure that, because the moment they take this park over, they will cut all these trees. And they will turn this place into something you can never recognize again. And then they will build their houses and their hotels to come and turn your children to prostitutes in them. Even if it will take me going back to prison, we are not going to give up on this park. Now, this is the property of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We must recover it from them. The people they partition it for are private estate developers. Those people don't care about you. They are the same people who have already taken over the whole of Abuja and nobody is living in them. Empty houses. In Asokoro alone, there are 5,000 empty buildings. And there are over 500,000 people who are homeless in Abuja. Why can't we take them to Asokoro to be living? And they didn't build the houses with their money. It was the money they stole from you.
Our money.
The money they looted from the treasury is what they are using in building all these bogus houses. Every day they keep moving. One day they will be in Wuse, from there we move to Asokoro. Their new place now is Guzape. Yes, all this, they are creating extension of poverty for the poor, extension of rich and wealth for the rich. Some of them are living on top of rocks. Still, they are not happy. And they will never be happy. They will never be happy until we are happy. We all deserve happiness, prosperity, and peace in this country. And let me say one last thing, which is very important. You see, this is where insecurity starts from. All these kids that are making money here, the moment you drive them from here, they go and join Boko Haram. Nobody needs to tell you that. Some of them who are in Boko Haram before decided to leave Boko Haram because there's something here to do. The moment you close down the opportunities they have, they will go and become kidnappers, they will become Boko Haram members, bandits. It is government policy that is creating Boko Haram and banditry.
Every day.
It is impoverization of the Nigerian people, the lack of employment and opportunities for little kids to go to school and find jobs. That is what is creating insecurity in Nigeria. But foolish people don't know. They think that by giving guns to police you can stop insecurity. No! The first way to handle insecurity is to bring about to share prosperity to everybody in the country. For a lot of people to have jobs and to be able to support their families and their extended family system. That's the way to have security. If you like, go and buy all the armor tanks in the world. As long as there is poverty, there will be insecurity in Nigeria. And they should know that this insecurity doesn't affect poor people alone. It's going to start getting to their doorsteps. You know that most of them cannot travel on the roads anymore. And even when they fly, between their houses and the airport, some of them still get kidnapped. But they will never learn. These foolish people will never learn. The final thing I'll say to you guys, this is also the reason why you should take politics very seriously. Stop voting for thieves in this country. Criminals, people who destroyed your past can never recover, can guarantee your future. Because you might be looking at us now and say, Sowore came here. I'm not here because I'm hungry. I came back from America to come and do this. I could be driving around on the streets of America, but I don't want to live in America anymore. I want to live at peace in my own country. I don't want to have a career being called a stranger in another man's country, no matter how beautiful it is. And I'll tell you one thing. This is the most beautiful place in the world you can be. If motherfuckers hadn't destroyed this country, this is the most beautiful place on earth to be. The weather, perfect. We have lakes, river everywhere, but there's no water to drink. We have people who are resourceful, people who are willing to work, but there's no work to do. And we are some of the most accommodating people, but they have turned us against ourselves, using religion ethnicity, and poverty, most importantly, to create division, anger, sorrow, tears, and blood is flowing everywhere. We got to stop that as well.
I think that all that needs to be said has been said. There's nothing more I can say that can define Jabi Lake more than what the men have already said. I have been coming to this park for over a decade as well. I came to this park before I had children. I have children now. I come to this park. My children know this park. My children have grown in this park. And I've also seen other women's children grow in this park. I've seen women in this park. We have talked. I've seen business women that support their families that are here. I can't say more than has been said because I know that this park has saved lives. It is not criminals that live here. It is Nigerians that come to this park. It is Nigerians that are making their way through life in this park. It is Nigerians that have always been active in this park. And it is Nigerians that deserve this park. There is no reason to take this park away from the people. There's lots of land in Abuja. There are lots of houses in Abuja. There are more houses than people that occupy them. There are still homeless people in Abuja. This land belongs to the people. This land should be with the people. I am always in support of the people. And Jabi Park is for the people. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Formerly, Augustine Ongarandoko. What I want to talk be say, Wike, you go leave this park for us because if not be this park, I for don't die since. I finished school 1995 and not get work. Can't reach now. I not go face a bad government, but whatever it is. Now this park I tell they do my yoga, I tell they maintain myself. I not feel still. So many other people like me, they when they don't graduate since time. One of my sisters won't graduate for University of Jos 1995. He did from there. Great Jos side, now they call each other. So make una leave this park for us. Now here they heal people. I'm a yoga expert. So more now leave this park for us. Now him I want to talk. My brother Sowore, thank you.
Thank you.
And our Oga Tinubu. I beg. Okay. Our brother Tinubu. So what is I want to talk? I beg, try make you come out Wike for this post. Wike na poor man in one key with a position. Try make you come out for Wike, come out for Federal of Minister of Federal Capital Territory. Come out Wike so that we go feel vote you. If you don't come out Wike, we don't go vote you.
My name is Edward Omaga. I'm a public interest lawyer. I want to thank Sowore and others who have come from far and near for this clarion call. We are so vexed. I just ran straight from the office to be here. We are vexed in the sense that if you go to Lagos, you will not lack water because there's water everywhere in Lagos. But if you come to Abuja, can you point anywhere there's water apart from Jabi Lake?
No.
If you point any, I don't know. Because Jabi Lake is the only place where you can hang around water in Abuja. So taking the lake now from the people to the private hands and all of that is a blow on the people.
It's a criminal
offense. A criminal offense. It goes against the fundamental human rights of the citizens as guaranteed under Section 43. Section 43 says every citizen is entitled to own land wherever you are in Nigeria.
Wow.
But before you revoke any land and give it out, it must be for public interest, such as a school, a hospital, or whatsoever. In this case, can we ask, are they revoking Jabi Lake for public interest?
No.
Are they going to give it to school and market?
No.
If the answer is no, then there is no need to talk about revocation of the land. We in the legal profession, who are also activists, we refuse to keep quiet. They have declared some of us wanted, they couldn't do us nothing. We have been on exile, we came back, we are still fighting. We are not going to take this rubbish called revocation.
Never.
We want to tell you that in the coming days, we will take permission from our leaders to be in court against the federal government, against the minister of FCT, to ensure that the people are not further impoverished by the taking over of Jabi Lake. I want to thank you so much that whenever we are going, the media should not forget to take this in far to the uttermost part of the world. We must reject this oppression once and for all.
The people united
never
be defeated. Thank you very much.
The people united can never be defeated.
Jabi Lake! Say Jabi Lake!